Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alayscya Pujangga Putri Prajoko, and I'm from 3BP PBI A2. In here, I will presentation about station rotation. Station rotation is one of the methods used in the blended learning strategy. And this is my team is our Lailin Rofiko, Alayscya Pujangga Putri Prajoko, is me, and Khairil Anwar, and the next is Fani Farstania, and then Siti Fatima Azara, and Naili S. Alia. The topic discussed in this presentation the first is definition and concept, and the next is the device used, and third is image, and the next is procedure and or steps, and the last is strength and weakness. The first is the definition of station rotation. Station rotation is an approach to learning where students rotate around various learning stations that have been prepared by carrying out various different activities in one face-to-face meeting. And the next is the concept of station rotation. Learning strategies, students will be divided into several groups according to each station. After a few minutes, students will be moved to another station, and each station offers a different learning experience. The next is the device used. The first is paper, used when carrying out assignment given by the teacher or taking notes on material explained by the teacher. And the next is laptop. Actually, using a laptop is optional because not all students have one, but school usually provide computers in the classroom or in the computer laboratory. And the next is handphone. Just like laptop, smartphone also used for independent learning or online activities. Students who don't have laptop usually using handphone for their learning. And the next is earphones or headphones. The use of earphone or headphone is also optional because they are only used to support learning related to listening. And the next materials is image. The first is instructor or teacher. Student grouping in the station rotation model, the teacher organizes students in the group in the classroom. Student grouping can be fixed, staying in the same everyday, grouped by learning style, interests, or reading to learn, or dynamic changes depending on student skills or needs. The next image is the participant or students. During the classroom, students take turns on fixed schedule determined by the instructor or teacher. Various modality, which usually include three, is learning station. The first is online learning, the two is face-to-face learning, and the last is group project. The next material is the procedure of station rotation. The first is teacher station. Teacher has at least three different yet small group lesson material interesting or exactly. And the next is collaboration station. Students complete tasks that are independently. Students work in partner or groups, but not necessary to create or complete the tasks. And the next is technology station or online station. Students work on differentiated teach-based task assignment by the teacher. The next material is the steps of station rotation. The first step is teaching explaining the material, then divides students according to their learning styles. Before going to each station, the teacher must make sure that students understand. The next step is students are already at their respective station and ready to carry out the lesson. And the next step is that teacher as organizer or observer. And the last step is that the teacher goes around each station. The next material is the strength of using station rotation. How technology helps teachers to their work. The first is allows teachers to be more flexible. Teacher can use different teaching methods and tools to suit their lesson or students. The second is help teacher connect more with students. Teachers are able to better communicate with their students and support them in the learning. And the last is allows allow access to more students. Teachers are able to find additional or update learning researches that can help them with their work. And the last material is the weakness of using station rotation. The first is online classrooms mean digital learning for everyone. And the second is the global market for practical course and credentials. And the next is improvement in the quality of blended learning. And the next is raising demand for skills-based program. And the last is greater investment on interactive technology in solving the digital divide. Okay, that's all for me, and I'm sorry if I made mistake. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.